Alright, what's up guys? Ghost with another video, this time on the Ghost Parts channel with my boy Joe.
Hey, what's up?
We're in the 2004 one. Part looking, I guess. Part scouting, whatever you call it. For maybe some seats, maybe steering wheel, whatever. We have tools back there, so that's, you know, chilling. But yeah, here's the intro to the video, and then I'll go ahead and stick the other part of the video on here when we get there. So see you guys soon. Alright, we have made it to the parts yard, I guess.
Yeah.
And it's kind of a rough ride. I'll show you real quick. But it's really gravelly here, and yeah, so we're gonna go inside. We may be able to film, we may not be able to. Hopefully we do. But yeah, we'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, so we're in the yard here, and I'm just gonna go record what we're looking at while we look through it. The SX here is pretty awesome. It's, you know, gutted and everything, but it's kind of beautiful. Kind of beautiful of a car, to be honest. But let's try to find these G35s. Oh my! I mean, it's a Mirage, you know.
Yeah.
So they said 134 is where it was at, but should be. There's an Ultima. Oh, let's pray for America. That's like rattle can. Interesting. Interesting choice. I know. It's a nice Eclipse right there. Maxima. Is this a G35? Is this it right here? No, that's an Ultima. That's an Ultima. This is just kind of a really good adventure, to be honest. Trying to find this car. A lot of bugs out here, but you know, it's a cool day, so that's gonna happen. What? Bugs? What kind of bug was it? You know? Another G37 or G35, G37, something like that. I wonder, what did it say on there, if it's a gray one, or did it say what year of G35? 134 is blue. It's black. Oh, there it is. I just completely missed it. Let's see what the seats look like. Yeah, this is the one. Let's see what these seats look like. Oh, those seats are not very good. The steering wheel looks alright. Yeah, we forgot to look at the steering wheel on the other one.
Wait, is that? No, it's a coupe.
Yeah, it's a coupe, yeah. It's a coupe. Coupe. Yeah, this thing's gutted. What's the next one? 37? 137?
Yep. 137.
What color is that? Black? So it's just like that? Unless this is 137. Also, I'm sorry for the camera guys, but I'm gonna forgive you. Let's see here. Coming, Joe? Oh, I got you. I'm sorry. I should have told you. But now you know, I guess, you know? Yeah, they're skate shoes. They're made for really flat ground, I feel like. For the most part. This is 37. This is 37.
Should be.
That was the one. That was the black one. Is there another one?
134.
That was the one we saw before.
I guess we saw.
Well, let's go back to the one over here and see if it has a good steering wheel, because that could be, you know, the thing. But 134. Beautiful Eclipse. The Blister. The Blister. Nice Lancer. Another nice Lancer. Except for that one has like all the windows taken out of it. I completely forgot we were looking not for just seats or whatever. This one should have a good steering wheel because it looked really good inside, you know, Joe? Besides the seats and everything, but you know. Joe, we have a winner. That steering wheel is very good.
Nice.
If you want, we can get the tools and get it off. Like, feel that. Feel that. That's like some fresh leather right there. It's up to you though. For $13, or well, 35 I think, or no, 13 now. It's 13. It has that little regulator thing or whatever.
Are you sure it's the same steering wheel that I had?
It is. It is. Aww. And the things are thing. We could go look real quick. We can re-enter if we already entered and everything.
Okay.
You want to go look to make sure?
I mean, I don't know if I want to replace that because it's kind of just big.
I got you. I got you. What else has those seats? Is maybe an Ultima Coupe? Maybe I don't know. I'm trying to think. Let me look what other seats have that. I'll be right back, guys. We are back, by the way. It doesn't have the slip lock or whatever. You don't have that. So if you wanted to, we could get that steering wheel, and then you could maybe have someone install it for you or whatever. If you wanted. That's should be $13. Should be. If not, maybe a tiny bit more. It isn't. Where does it sell at? Oh, there it is up there with a PC. Yeah. You also have another airbag for it too, you know? But, these are, oh, leaving you behind, aren't I? Sorry. Whale. Seats are gone. Seats gone. Freaking. PCs usually are more customized as well for seats and stuff like that. Those are cloth seats. I don't know if they would fit in there. Those are cloth seats. Look at this tint, Joe.
Oh
Ooh.
yeah, blue.
Ooh.
That's funny.
Maybe you could find a radio too, maybe. I don't know. This one has a custom one in, Joe.
Custom what?
Custom radio in here.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's a Pioneer radio.
Oh.
If you want to look, come on here. Come on here. Come around here and look.
Alright.
Come on over. Go ahead and look in there. I'll come back here. See it in there?
Yeah.
That tint is very purple.
Definitely. That's kind of weird.
Yeah. If you wanted to, we could try to get that out of there if you want. I mean, it's probably really cheap.
Yeah. Probably.
You want to go get the tools then, I guess?
Sure.
Okay. We'll be right back with you. Alright, hey, what's up, guys? We're back. We came back empty-handed, as you see.
Yeah.
I tried to get the wheel out, and my Torx fell into the wheel.
Yeah.
And we asked the office, and they were like, yeah, we don't have any Torx with the whole one. And I was like, well, so...
Yeah, just gonna have to try another day, I guess.
Yeah, we're gonna have to try a different day, and either that, or I can try to see if Sac City has it as well, because they burn out leaves all the time. But anyways, we're gonna make a video probably about putting it on maybe, or whatever, or something like that. We're gonna find someone. But yeah, as far as that, hope you guys have a great day, and stay spooky, and make sure to watch my other videos about comparing these two cars, my car, and some of my other videos as well. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.